Okay, right now I'll show you a normal suite before I show you the family suite. So walking in, you've got lots of storage. And you've also got your safe in there, which is really simple to use and really secure. You come with a handheld steamer and plenty more storage space as well. Inside here we have got your refrigerator, which will be stocked. Shall I do that, Sophie? They'll stock your refrigerator with water. These sweets and drinks, we've brought some of them ourselves, but you will be given pop and water and some snacks. Large TV which shows both Mexican and American TV channels. More storage inside here. And then there's large open living space with a sofa bed, some chairs, a table, and a dressing table as well. And outside you've got a large balcony area with some seating and a ceiling fan, but we're not sure how to get the ceiling fan work on this one. Well, as you can see above the 4-poster bed with the little stool, you do have a ceiling fan. And also here you've got your air conditioning unit and your control panel on the wall. One thing I will say is really important to have is a dehumidifier, because the humidity in these rooms is extremely high. So if you haven't got a dehumidifier already, I suggest you ask at reception for one. We were looking, there's one already in our room, there's one already in my dad's room, but the other grandparents didn't have one, so they had to ask for one. And you can tell the difference between a dehumidifier and not. And also, you're emptying it 2 or 3 times a day. It takes that much water out of the atmosphere. Okay, now I'll show you the bathroom. We're just going past the large full-length mirror and into the bathroom area, where you have a jacuzzi bath. And you also have a shower with a rainfall shower, the toilet, and 2 sinks and large lit-up mirrors. So speaking to me dad, there's absolutely no issues with his room whatsoever. He's been very impressed with the quality of the room he's got, especially staying here as a single person. He's been really happy with it, so that's great. One thing I did forget to show you is you do get a coffee machine which is supplied with Mike's Coffee. So if you're a Mike's Coffee fan, you also get Mike's Coffee in your room too. Okay, so now I will show you the family room. This is the room that we've had during our stay here in the Eden Lodge at Ocean Riviera Paradise. So the bathroom is the same as the other one, with the toilet, the shower, the jacuzzi bath, the sink. The storage is the same as you'll find in the other one. So we've got the large wardrobes, lots of storage, and the safe. We didn't even use all the storage. There's that much storage. And we've brought 4 suitcases with us, which are now packed, ready to go home. Storage there, but this time the difference is we've got 2 double beds and a fold out sofa bed over in the corner. Here you've got the table with the chairs like the other room, but we've got the sofa bed. That's where Sophie slept, that's where Freya slept. We are about to check out, that's why the room is a little bit of a mess. As I mentioned before, get your dehumidifier. We had that one already in the room, but I don't know if you can hear that noise, but it's actually really loud. And the noise really is just one of like our main 2 gripes we have with the rooms here. The dehumidifier is noisy. The fan above my head is noisy. The air conditioning is noisy. So everything you want to try and keep you cool is noisy. So if you are a light sleeper, maybe get yourself some earplugs. That's what Kate has to use. I can sleep through pretty much anything. Give me an earthquake and I'll sleep through it.
Also, the kids are noisy.
The kids are very noisy, so don't come with kids. That's a good example. She's like the monkeys you've just seen outside. And the only other thing is, the rooms are a little bit tired now. We have had a little bit of a leak above us here, but they sorted everything out really quickly, and they just need a little bit of updating. But that's not enough for me to turn around and say it's a bad room. It's been fantastic, it served us well. You can fit a family of 4 in here easily. Even a family of 6 could fit in here quite comfortably. If there is anything you'd like to know about the resort, don't forget we have got the video of the full resort tour and also the trips we went on whilst we were here, which was to Chichen Itza, Xcaret Park and Isla Majoras. So if you didn't go to Chichen Itza.